Well, hello there. Today we will explore how to design and 3D print these amazing keychains using imported SVGs in our slicer. Welcome back to our series on 3D model designing using our 3D printing slicer. This is our second episode, so without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Preparation. Before we begin, ensure you have a 3D printing slicer installed for this demonstration. I will be using an Orca Slicer. I already have created a video on Orca Slicer. If you want to know about Orca Slicer, then check out that video. Also, the SVG files you wish to use for your keychain designs. This can include logos or even unique designs. It's better to have a single piece SVG file like these logos. But if our files have a shape like this, which are not connected to each other, then don't worry. I also have a solution for this. I will explain it later in this video. Step 2. File conversion. If your image is in a PNG format, you will need to convert it to SVG. I recommend using online converter like FreeConvert. Ensure your image has a transparent background and contains only the elements you want to 3D print. Select the SVG converter, upload your file and convert it. Importing the SVG files. Now we have our SVG files ready. Open a slicer and start a new project. Right click on the build plate and select the add primitive and click on SVG. Choose your SVG file and adjust its size and depth as needed. You can use the scaling parameters for precise adjustments. Step 4. Adding a keyring hole. To add a keyring hole, right click on the model and select add negative part, cylinder or other shape of your choice. Position the hole where you want it on the keychain and ensure it passes through the main model. You can fine-tune its position and size as required. Step 5. Enhancing design. Make your keychain more visually appealing by experimenting with the different top and bottom layer types. Here I am going with the concentric pattern. Once you are satisfied with the design, slice it and prepare it for printing. Adding a keyring holder. If you do like to add attached keyring holder, right click on the model and select add part and cylinder. Lower down the Z height, adjust its size and position it on the model where you want the keyhole. Ensure that it particularly intercepts with the model for stability. Go to the Object tab, select the cylinder, Strength tab and here increase the wall count. Make a top bottom layers and infill percentage 0. Click on the slice and see the output. Adjust the cylinder's setting for optimal printing. Other SVGs and multicolor. Well, if you have this type of design that the elements are not connected to each other, then we need to add a base for it. To do that, go to the part, cube, resize it and make it thin. Now adjust this plate to the lower side of the model. Make sure it's connected. Now punch the hole into the plane and we are ready to print. For those with the multicolor printers, consider this keychain in a dual color to add a visual appeal. Select a different colors for each elements of your design before slicing and printing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating your custom keychains. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Until next time, happy printing.